Frank with Appalachian Wellness, and I'm here to show you a new tool that we've developed, our Patient Worksheet Coordinator tool. And basically what this is a tool to help us know what's going on with you so we can do a better job in taking care of you and your needs. So this is what it actually looks like. It's a simple spreadsheet. Across the top on row 1, columns A, B, and C, our first, middle, and last names respectively. And then you enter your address number 1, address number 2 if there's an apartment number, city, state, zip, email address, telephone number, and of course your date of birth, so we know it's you and not your clone. Over here in column F, we have hidden information, formulas, and formatting. So please do not enter any information in column F. Column E is where we would like you to start entering information. And then as you enter information, when you need a new column, put your cursor over the E, right-click on it, click to insert one to the left, and now all the information basically is ready to be received. You then click on column G, where everything is hidden, click copy, go back to E, click paste, and if you'll look now, you'll see that all the different formulas are there. What formulas, you may ask? Well, if you click on the E1 cell, and click on date time, it will automatically insert the date and time that you're entering information right there. Very quick and easy. So the information we would like to record is simply dates more than anything else. If you have your MRI done for the NeuroQuant, just click in there the date that you have it and enter that date, whatever it may be. Say it was a couple of days ago. Okay, now we at least know that the study has been done, and if we don't have the results within a reasonable time frame, we know it's time for us to go looking for it. This information through here is all stuff that's done in the office. You don't have to worry about. I'm going to get rid of column E here right now because I don't want to confuse anybody. This is the old column E that was blank. We'll keep it that way. We will enter the pulmonary function and the EKG functions. Anytime that you do the visual contrast sensitivity, please enter the dates so we know to look for the results of that. Same thing if you have lab work done at Quest, at LabCorp, Great Plains Lab. You can even put down which test you had done. If you have a GI map from Diagnostic Solutions or another stool study for microbiome labs, just enter the dates so we know where to look for it. Same thing with our neurotransmitter profiles from Senesco or wherever, Genova profiles. Down here, if you enter your height in inches, it will give us the information in meters. Same thing, weight will go from pounds to kilograms, and now we can also give you your body mass index, your body surface area, and basal metabolic rate. Finally, for your medications, we would like you to please enter that as well. If you look down here, you'll see cholestyramine is the first one entered. People get very confused about how to take cholestyramine. Please take your other medications, not the cholestyramine, but the other medications, 1 hour before or 2 hours after the cholestyramine. Its dose is a packet or scoop. Each one contains 4 grams. It should be dosed QID. And if you look over here at the abbreviations, BID means twice daily, TID 3 times, QID 4 times, AC before meals, before or after meals, and at bedtime. So those are the abbreviations you can use. The next medication would be the omega fish oils. Be 2 capsules. BID is twice a day. So I'd like you to just please list whatever medicines and supplements you're taking here. Now, once the medicines and supplements are listed in place, it's very easy to update to your current list. You highlight the range by left click, hold the left click mouse button down and drag down, and then you'll see there's a little blue box in the lower right hand corner. If you click on that blue box and hold it and then drag it to your left, it copies everything you need right over to the left. So up here you can see an undo and redo button. So I'm going to undo that last step, and that will leave us open. And that's basically all there is to it. Just a quick 5 minute, here's how we use the patient coordination worksheet. You enter the data, we will be checking on it to make sure everything is going smoothly. And if things aren't being done, if you have any questions, please let us know so we can provide you with better service. We're all about trying to get you so much better that you never need to see us again. Terrible business model, but we want you healthy. So God bless, and may your health continue to improve.